Yeah, hi guys. This is Derek again. This is the second video, just basically trying to give you exposure to like the shell and like terminal. Um, so I have like two examples. I will show you basically what these commands mean. So if you go open like a terminal and like list ls, ls just basically lists like all the files on that specific directory. I created like a file called file.txt on the desktop. So if you see right here is file.txt. It has 3 lines. I'm not sure what this error is. Error is not fun. Oh, this is too much work. 3 lines. Very simple. So if we want to basically, use like what we talked about in the first video, which is like, cat file.txt grep error slash word count. Let me just show you what would happen if we do that. So like this means cat, it means like it basically takes the input of that file. Grep error basically like searches and basically like narrows down your search page to lines with only the word error in it, and WC basically stands for word count, and it shows like the word count for each of like the lines. So if we hit here, right, so this is like the line count and then the word count. I think this is like the character count. I'm not going to count that because it's too much work, but see here, like since I narrowed it down to cat file.txt, right? So it's this specific file. Only 2 lines have error in it, right? So how many words does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? So 2, 12. So it matches exactly. Just to give you like a better example, also like a similar example, if we were to use the word head, head means like the top first line, x how many lines from the top. In our case 1 here. So if we do this, it has only 1 line and then 8 words on that line. So if we do cat head 2 slash word count, it would basically do the same thing, right? Because error is in the first line and error is in the second line. Just to give you another example, so if we go into like the example in our code, in our skeleton, cd just basically means like change directory. cd//s means like going back like 1 step. So I was at filter here, and then I go to PA1, and now I'm at CS331. So if I do ls, it basically lists like what I PA1 here, and if I go to PA1, yeah, so there's filter file, so I can do cd filter right here, and now I'm here and there. If I do ls, it basically lists filter.java, message.java, sequential, right? But the only file I'm interested in is like the Java files, just for the sake of simplicity. So here we do cat star.java. The star means basically it basically sucks in like filter.java, message.java, all Java files basically, and sees the word class and then does the word count. So if we do that, message, so if we look at the message.java, the reason why it doesn't show up is because it doesn't have the word class in it. So it doesn't count any words on this specific file. But if we go to like filter.java, it basically has 2 lines, right? Public abstract class filter, right? And then the abstract class that represents the filter to perform shell commands, right? That's the second line, right? So that's why there are 2 lines here, 17 words. So if we count this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, right? So there's 17 words. I'm not going to count the characters, but you get the idea. So this is basically what, like, if you scale this up, this can be very powerful, like method to like search your work directory. If you want like some basic computer science history, there used to not be a lot of GUI stuff. A lot of like the computer was born from the shell, the terminal. So I think like just knowing these commands is like good basic computer science knowledge. It basically can be useful in your line of work in the future. So thank you for watching this video.